Today's lesson is on literary analysis of theme for the story Ribbons. So today we're mainly focusing on theme. Theme basically is what the author wants to teach you about life. It's the life lesson that you learn from the story. An important thing to remember is that theme is often implied, meaning it's never going to be stated in the story. After you've read the story, then you will only learn the theme, the life lesson that the author wants to teach you. So, from the story Ribbons, you should have already read that story. You should have listened to it on the audio that I made for you, and then you'll be able to answer these questions. Let's look at number one. What is the setting? Briefly describe it. So, here you would tell me about where the story takes place, its setting. Number two, what do the main characters say? Summarize the important statements made by grandmother, mom, and Stacy. Go ahead and write two important statements that are made by grandmother. Number three, how do the characters act? Describe the important actions of grandmother and Stacy. I want you to put one thing here that was an important action between grandmother and Stacy. So for number four, I want you to look at what objects seem important in the story. What is something that is constantly stated or talked about in the story? And write it here. What is the object or topic of Ribbons? So here you would tell me, what is the topic? What is the main idea or the thing that they've talked about the most in the story of Ribbons? And number six, based on your answers above, what do you think is the theme of Ribbons? Remember the life lesson that the author's trying to teach you. Write it right here. If you do not remember the story Ribbons, listen to it again on the audio so that you can understand it better.